Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning! This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute motivation. Bringing you another quote to help try and kickstart your day and hear your words of wisdom from Albert Einstein. You never fail until you stop trying. When things go wrong, you will feel crappy. When you fail, you instantly feel like you aren't good enough to do exactly what you want to do right there. But failures are feedback. Feedback tells and shows you exactly what didn't work and the reason why. So, get yourself out there again, because it's only when you finally quit, that's when you finally truly do fail.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.